Okay, I just got off of work, getting out of Walmart right now. I got some, show you guys what I got here. I got some Magnum ice cream bars. I'm gonna eat the whole box right now. Well, not right now, I don't eat in my car, when I get home. But this is the proper parking OCD procedure. Bizquick caught it in another video I made about parking OCD. He gets it. He knows how to properly park, parking OCD style. But he's pretty good. Watch this. So there's my car way over there. The reason why I parked this far is because of this. I watched the shopping carts, and Bizquick caught this. See, I didn't park here because, see, there's a shopping cart right here. See, and if this gets away, it could keep going straight and hit my car. So I'll either park in front, like right here, where the shopping cart can't get me if there's a bunch of shopping carts, or I'll just take this spot. See, no stray parking or shopping carts. I don't know why my camera stopped, but yeah, see, I can't get hit by a stray shopping cart. I think I said parking cart earlier, but yeah, that's how you do it. If you're a parking OCD guru, enthusiast, you watch that. See, so for example, if there was a shopping cart right here, I would have parked right here. I'm very proud of Bizquick for catching that. And you left a comment, man. You said your wife doesn't quite park in the nosebleed section, but she's getting better. Right on, man. That's what I like to hear. Yeah, I'm going to eat my... I got some Lunchables too. I don't know why I feel like eating Lunchables right now. I got some nacho cheese Lunchables. I don't know why. It sounds good. Maybe it's the juice box, even though I could drink it in like one sip. So I'm gonna eat my Lunchable. I'm gonna eat my ice cream. Not in the car. I don't eat in my car when I get home. So yeah, there's your parking OCD tutorial. This is for my friend Brooke. LOL.